In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email subscription form on Beehiiv step by step so you can start collecting subscribers and growing your audience the right way. This is a super useful setup if you want to add a simple sign-up form to your newsletter, your website, or your landing page and make it easy for visitors to join your email list. If you've been looking for a quick and beginner-friendly way to build a subscribe form in Beehiiv, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and hover over the subscription tab. This is where Beehiiv keeps the tools related to building and managing your email sign-up experience. After you hover over that tab, click Subscribe Forms. This will take you to the area where you can create and manage your sign-up forms. From there, click Create Subscribe Form. Beehiiv will open up the form builder and let you start from scratch. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a name for the form. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one form. Once that's done, move on to customizing the form headline. The headline is one of the most important parts because it's the first thing visitors see, so make it short, clear, and compelling. You want it to immediately tell people why they should subscribe. Next, add a description that encourages visitors to subscribe. This is where you can explain what kind of content they'll get, how often you send emails, and why joining your list is worth it. Keep it friendly and focused on value. After that, you can edit the email field placeholder text if you want. The placeholder is the faint text people see inside the email box before they type anything, so this is a nice way to make the form feel more polished and on brand. Then, customize the subscribe button text. Instead of using a generic label, you can make it more engaging with wording like Join Now, Subscribe Free, or Get Updates. Small changes like this can really improve your sign-up rate. Now it's time to customize the form design, including the colors and branding. Beehiiv gives you options to make the form match your style, so take advantage of that and align it with your website or newsletter brand. A clean, consistent design helps build trust and makes the form look more professional. Once you're happy with everything, click Save to store your changes. After saving, the next step is to click Preview so you can test the form and make sure everything looks good before publishing it. This is important because it lets you check the layout, text, button styling, and overall user experience before your audience sees it. If anything feels off, you can go back and adjust it before going live. And that's it. You've now created an email subscription form on Beehiiv. It's a simple process, but getting the headline, description, and design right can make a huge difference in how many people actually subscribe. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.